Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be showing you guys my first attempt in doing polygel nails. Hopefully I get good at this so I can start doing my nails at home. And if you guys are interested in these type of videos, leave a comment below and let's get into it. So I started off with wiping my nails down with rubbing alcohol. Then I moved to applying the base coat, and after applying a thin layer of the base coat, I cured under the LED lamp for about 30 to 60 seconds. Then I squeeze a small amount of the polygel onto the nail forms, and I use the brush that comes with the kit and also the slip solution to pat that down and create an even surface, and also build it out to the desired length that I want.
They said, Rico, you so nasty. I said, thank you very much. He just wanna eat me like some candy, but I'm not his buttercup. He's so swear that they can't stand me, but ain't never pulling up. I just made 100K in 2 weeks, little bitch. You need me to pull it up. Big black cheese and we pulling up. She drinks so much that she throwing it up. We don't give a fuck, we still rolling it up. I got a lot of money, but a lot ain't enough. Where I boy, they ain't towing us. I make the jokes, you ain't trolling us.
Then I went ahead and cured underneath the light for about 30 to 60 seconds. Then I flipped my finger over to cure the bottom side for another 15 seconds. And then you're going to see me doing some filing and shaping of the nail and buffing it out to get the right shape.
Hair go long like Chia, money go low like Nia. I ain't in the big idea. My twins big like Tia. My twins big like Tia Tamera. Wait, Tia Tamera. Wait, Tia Tamera. Wait, Tia Tamera. Hair go long like Chia, money go low like Nia. I ain't in the big idea. My twins big like Tia. My twins big like Tia Tamera. Wait, Tia Tamera. Wait, Tia Tamera. Wait, Tia Tamera. They say Doja hit so sticky. I said thank you very much. Bent the whole world over and says thank you very much. She's like pizzeria. Have a seat, bitch, please. IKEA. From the west side like Maria. I'm hot like grits from Dia. Beat the pussy up, Carl Peter. I rock the boat like a Leah. I rock a bob like Sia. Got your own that bitch Rhea. Dick in the thigh, dick in the waist. Dick in the right motherfucking places. Hits like Venus Serena.
And in this next clip, you'll see me painting my nails. I decided to go with a glitter nail polish. One thing to note is that when you're using polygel, and if you want to use a nail polish over it, I would suggest using a gel nail polish instead of a regular nail polish, because at first I did attempt to do all white, but I'm thinking because the nail polish didn't dry all the way, that the curing process didn't work effectively or work correctly. So that nail ended up just smudging and not looking cute. So I had to switch to the glitter nail polish.